There are four main processes involved when working with Camtasia Studio. These are record, edit, produce, and share. I'll begin with the Camtasia Recorder to record something on my screen. There are a number of ways to open the Camtasia Recorder, but one of the most common ways is by clicking this Record the Screen button inside the Welcome window when Camtasia Studio is launched. The recorder has been totally redesigned for Camtasia Studio 6, which allows me to begin my recordings faster and makes the workflow smoother. When I open the recorder for the first time, the recording area is set to full screen. If I don't want to record full screen, I can click Custom and then the Select button to choose an area or window to record. I'll click to select this browser window since this is what I'd like to record. Over here is where I can choose whether I want to record audio or select my webcam for recording picture-in-picture. And of course, clicking the red record button begins my recording. I can now perform the desired tasks as everything in the recording region gets captured. Once my recording is finished, the next step is to save it and bring it into the editor. Now let's take a little tour of the editor. Here's the clip bin. This is where I can import all of my media files for my project. Media files include images, audio, and video files. The timeline is where the video project is built, and media clips can be added to it by dragging them from the clip bin. I can then edit these clips as needed. For example, I can cut out parts of the video clip that I don't want, or I can split my clips to insert a transition or other piece of media. I can also open additional tracks, such as a second audio track from this drop-down menu. Up here on the right is the preview window, which allows me to see what my video project looks like as I'm building it. On the left side of the editor is the task list, which is where additional editing features are available. There are specific tutorials on each of these editing functions in our Learning Center. The easiest way to access a tutorial is by clicking on the feature and then choosing the Show Me button. This will take me directly to a video tutorial for that specific feature and teach me everything I need to know. Once editing is finished, producing my project so I can share it is next. I'll click on Produce Video As to launch the production wizard. For best results, use the same production preset that was selected in the project settings during editing. If I want more control over my production settings, then I'd choose Custom Production Settings from this drop-down menu and proceed through the wizard. There are additional tutorials in our Learning Center that will walk through the production wizard more thoroughly. But for this tutorial, I'll select the Web preset and click Next. On this screen, I'll give the production a name and choose a folder location to save the produced video to. Screencast.com, TechSmith's content hosting web service, is one option where you can host and share your Camtasia produced videos. You can learn more about Screencast.com by clicking the What is Screencast.com link. I'll click Next to see a summary of the production settings, and then click Finish to begin rendering the video. When the rendering process is finished, the produced video will open in a web browser so I can see what my final video looks like. And it really is just that simple. I recommend watching the Record tutorial next, as it will help you better understand the process of recording your screen. Thanks for watching.